Ooh, praise the Lord, I'm in this team. It's your boy Tay.
And your favorite sis, Shy.
And today we are back with another video. So today, guys, I am going to be going to one of my best friends. He's my best friend, really. So I'm going to his house today so that I just want y'all to meet him. He got a YouTube as well. And I want y'all to meet him. He into motorcycles. He has 2 beautiful children, a beautiful fiance. So we going to go over there, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. But right now I'm about to hop in the shower, and once I get out the shower, I'm gonna head over there, and then we gonna probably play some games or something. We might get a little story time out this video because we been cool since 7th grade in middle school. So yeah, we've been cool that long, and we still cool to this day. So I'ma catch y'all when I get out the shower and on my way over there. And look, I got a surprise for y'all. He got this motorcycle. Oh my god, bro, that motorcycle is so sexy, bruh. So I'ma get back with y'all when I'm on my way over there. Y'all say hi to the beautiful.
I miss y'all so much. I miss y'all. They can't see me. They can't. You zooming in on your thing, not the phone.
On what thing?
On the bracelet and stuff. You're not zooming in on your phone. Go down some. Time to flip the thing so you can see it.
Oh, there you
I
go.
miss y'all so much.
You supposed to miss me, not them. You talk to them all the time.
Well, babe, I miss you so much. And I just wish I was there because I miss M&S team as well. We could be doing stuff together, but stay tuned, y'all. It's okay. We're going to come back better than
Okay. All right. So she says she misses y'all, but she's still gonna be talking to y'all like almost every day because she's gonna be doing videos where she is as well. So I don't know.
I miss how me and you used to be together.
Yeah, she misses the content we used to do. That's what she misses. She misses y'all. Don't get it twisted, but never mind. Whatever. So I'm about to get in the shower, then I gotta record this verse to send to my producer, and then I'm gonna head over to his house. So the next clip y'all see is me on the road on the way to his house. Love y'all. We out. Peace. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to be on my way over there right now. Let me see how far away it is. 16 minutes away. It is 16 minutes away, so I'm about to be on my way over there. We're probably about to just chop it up. I'm gonna introduce y'all to him. And yeah, we about to y'all make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. Link in the description down below. Alright, I'm on my way over there, Pete.
I didn't know what else to do about it, so
Alright, I just got here. Let me text him and tell him I'm outside real quick. This nigga said knock on the door. Hold on, man. Let me see. Oh. Let me see. Hold on, let me look at the address. I don't want to just knock on no random door. Oh, right here. I see it. Hold up. Oh, his bike right. I ain't gonna show y'all yet. But his bike right here, bro. That junk nice. Look, it's wrapped up though. That boy wrapped up.
Hey, yeah.
Look. Ooh.
Hold on. You saw the bike?
Yeah. You gotta take the wrap off there.
What, the thing?
Yeah. I got you, man. Dang, what? Huh? Really? I'm about to show you this surprise I told y'all about. Boy. Y'all can't even see me, but.
Come get over here.
Hold on.
You can change it now.
Let me show you. Go ahead. You good. Woo! Introduce yourself, bruh.
You gotta get over here. You gotta get over here.
Hold up.
What's up, man?
Ooh.
It's Dose.
Those filmed
it.
Yes, sir.
I'm here with a Ninja Kawasaki ZX6R. 6R. There we go. 1 to 6 real quick. Feel me?
Boy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kawasaki, you know? All right, man.
Get back to business. What's up, man?
Hey, get into it. Y'all subscribe to Dose. Filmed it.
Get up out of here.
Why they doing that?
Yeah, I probably need to turn this one around. You know where it's at?
Mm-hmm.
You good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dose here.
Light attached.
What's good? What's good, YouTube? It's all right. Yeah, go ahead.
No, you good. Take your time.
All right, y'all. Me and Dose just pulled
What's
up.
up, man? It's your boy Dose.
Yes,
up,
sir.
man? It's Reaper Ray.
Yes,
Just
sir.
came to get some wings. We on the 636s. Kawasaki. See him?
Y'all seen that one? Oh,
You see the rims? Like you got 20s on them.
oh.
22.
Yes, sir.
Twins.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
Come on, man.
We
All
out.
right.
They want
Yeah.
to see the real action. Let's get on the streets.
Yes, sir. Got you. All right, M&S team, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Right now, I'm editing it, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was cool to get back with my boy, you know what I'm saying? That's my boy from 7th grade, and it was cool to just link up with him again. But I hope y'all enjoyed the motorcycles, man. There's gonna be more videos of them on their motorcycle. I'm not getting no motorcycle. The most thing I get is I get a 4-wheeler. That's all I'm getting. I can't do no two-wheel. No, that's not me. That ain't me. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. He gonna be in a lot of more videos. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to Dose Filmed It. And Ray, he should be making a YouTube soon too. We trying to get him to make a YouTube. So make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to his when it come out too. So I love y'all. It's your boy Tay. And then it's your favorite, Tay Shy. And we out of here, man. Peace. Those films.
Yeah, now role models, everybody I know. That's up.